Intro. It was a headache, but that's all fixed. This is all fixed now too. No more jangling all over the place. You can see where it was hitting the freaking the head gasket. We're on to the front. More Gunk City, more cleaning to do. But this is all. I should be one more. Like I only gotta make one pass or two maybe on this. But right now we're at the SAI. There's the garbage over there. Popping out the 1.6 mil that's holding it on. I'll show you the piece that's going on. It is, I don't know, Black Forest Industries or I forget who makes the shit. But it's, one billet solid piece. Very nice. Before I knew about these, I was just, this is like maybe, like 11, 12 years ago. Before I knew these existed, I just plugged my Mark III with a bunch of quarters, and that shit just popped out on the highway, got real loud. Side story, not really important. Anyway, I'm about to pop this thing off, pop this one on, and then we're gonna get to our crack pipe, crossover pipe. Ain't no outro. Plugs in, plugs happy, seated. Anytime I'm going like metal to metal, this is something I learned from like the last shop that I was working at maybe 3-4 years ago. They were showing me that they put Vaseline on any type of O-ring and it makes things go happy. So I've been doing it since then. All right, off to this crack pipe. All right, no intro. It's a good thing this crack pipe or crossover coolant pipe is getting replaced, because as you can see, it wasn't too happy. Got some pieces here, probably was leaking. More. It was pretty beat up. All right. Thermostat housing, it looks okay for the most part, but there's a lot of crud on the inside. I have to pretty much get all that cleaned up and prepped for our new old, new to this car, Velt Sport. This is the same one, I'm pretty sure you just put on that Mark IV that's out front, the VR Turbo, which is going to be coming in here once this one comes out, because we finally got AFR, air fuel ratio. Yeah, we got all our gauges. We have our 4-inch MAF, and I believe the rest of what we need to make the downpipe. So it's just cold. It's the first of the year. I'm in this barn. I got a little makeshift. I ain't rich, all right? Try to just keep the heat in here. Got a torpedo going, but it's like huffing paint. So I don't even like turning the kerosene heater on. I'm not sure if I got a little replacement for this or not. If I do, blessings. If not, I don't know. Ain't no intro, ain't no outro. You know how it go. Pretty much ready just to clean all the stuff up, but I'm hungry as always. So just gonna hit this with some degreaser before I come back in here. Let's let this shit soak in. And in all honesty, I think the best degreaser that really exists is not even for cars. It's like oven degreaser. That easy off, that's like huffing paint too, right? But I'm not even gonna hold you. That shit work. That shit is like acid in a can. This other stuff, this is like mild sauce. It takes a minute, but actual easy off oven degreaser, I don't know what they put in that, but that shit should be peeling off dirt, grime from 30 years ago. Anyway, I'm hungry. I'm about to go and get some breakfast. I'm gonna let this soak in, come back here, try to clean it all up, and then we're gonna attack this oil filter housing who seemed to smash two O-rings in there. And then we'll get our little crossover crack pipe, aluminum one in there. And I believe that should be a Rizap on all the engine stuff outside of the throttle body, but that can go on once it's back in the car. All right, so after these couple of things are done, tranny's back on, all other good stuff, we're gonna move over to these motor mounts. Swapping out all the motor mounts, dog bone. Yeah, we're gonna swap over all these motor mounts. And shit. And then we're going off the control arms. And then shock tower bushings. It's all in the next video. I'm drawing a blank right now, but I got it.